Here's how to delete your Instagram account in a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Account Center. Next, tap Personal Details. Now, tap Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the account you want to delete. Then, select Delete Account and tap Continue. Here, choose a reason for deleting and tap Continue again. Then scroll down and tap Continue. Now, enter your password, then tap Continue. Finally, confirm to permanently delete your account. That's it. Your Instagram account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. If you change your mind, just log back in before then to cancel the deletion.